Just one thing that I do want to note about flight safety is the drones, while having very good obstacle avoidance and very good systems implemented by DJI, the drone will struggle to detect fence lines and power lines when flying head-on perpendicularly into them. So flying at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour, make sure that your drone is not flying towards small obstacles. It will not know of them and it will not detect them in time, and it may have a crash. When flying past an object in parallel, for instance, if you fly next to a fence line or a power line, the drone will detect that and will remember it when it comes back towards that location. Always exercise caution when mapping. Make sure that you map as if you're mapping for a drone with no obstacle avoidance. So always map out any obstacles, any trees, any power lines. Make sure you map them out and don't fly into the power lines.